So today I am making that $1 million spaghetti. And this is some of the stuff that I'm going to be using. And I'm also going to make a chocolate cake for my mama. Shredded Parmesan and shredded mozzarella. Prego Alfredo sauce. Pasta sauce. Of course, your noodles. And in this pan, I defrosted hamburger, sausage, green pepper, and onion. And I'm going to put it in this pan to bake. So stay tuned. So to my meat mixture, I'm going to season it with some black pepper, some cayenne pepper, garlic powder, some fennel seeds, and some rosemary leaves. And that's what I'm going to season my sausage and hamburger mixture with. I'm not even going to drain this grease off of it because it's not a lot. I think it'll add to the flavor of the pasta dish. So I'm going to heat up this red sauce and put it over the pasta and Alfredo, and I mix some Parmesan and mozzarella to put over top of the noodle mixture. Coming back with you. So this is the meat mixture over top of the noodles. And I'm going to top that with this Parmesan and the rest of the mozzarella. So this is the final product. Gonna pop it in the oven for about, 30 minutes till this cheese is nice and gooey and wet. Nice and gooey, and then I will show you me plating it. So let's try out this $1 million spaghetti. Girl, I probably got the cheese a little bit too crusty, but this is the end result. I'm gonna cut into it and see how good it is. So I'm gonna cut into it. Ooh, oh my goodness, it looks good. I'll tell you in a minute, but that's how it looks. So this is how it looks plated. It's good. It's good. It's good. Okay, everyone.